What if I told you that the aches, pains, and low energy you're experiencing aren't inevitable parts of aging, but signals your body needs something different? Conventional medicine waits until something breaks before fixing it. That's not aging gracefully, that's aging reactively. At Quantum Light Wellness Center, we connect our members with cutting-edge holistic technologies and modalities which offer access to solutions to targeting inflammation, energy levels, disease, and cellular health, the real foundations of longevity. Quantum Light Wellness Center provides comprehensive, holistic wellness technologies with practitioners who understand that preventative health and wellness isn't a luxury. It's essential for quality of life as we age. Learn more by visiting us at quantumlightwellness.com or call us to schedule a session.